Welcome to this basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, guys. In this tutorial we will be learning the basics of Microsoft Excel and basic tools available in Microsoft Excel and different formulas as well. So let's begin. When you open Microsoft Excel, we have this window available, and here we have the home button. When you click on it, here we have the new option where we have different working templates available. You can select any working template you like. And in this lower area we can find the recent spreadsheets in which we have worked on, and we have also option available for pinned. So if we have pinned some spreadsheet, it will appear here. Right now there is no pinned sheet available. And then we have the option for the new button. When you click on it, on this top option we can find the blank workbook, and in this lower area we can find different templates available for different purposes. There are many different categories available as well for these templates. For example, this business template, if you click on this business option, you can find templates available for business specifically. You can go back, and if you want to do some personal work, you have the option for this personal templates as well. And then we have option for open. When you click on it, here we have the recent workbooks or recent spreadsheets. You can open it from here, or you can open it by clicking on browse and go into specific directory. So right now I'm opening this blank workbook. So this is the blank workbook of Microsoft Excel, and on this top area, this area is called as ribbon, where we have different tools available in categorically. So this is the all tools available for the clipboard. These are all tools. These are the group of font tools, the group of alignment tools, number, styles, etc. And these are the tabs. Right now we are in home tab. This is the insert tab, and these are all tools available in groups for the insert options. And then we have page layout, formula, data, review, view, and help. Mostly the home tab is used, but we will be using the other tabs and tools in our upcoming tutorials. So right now we are in the home tab, and this is the name box. When we click any cell, these are basically the cells. When we click any cell, it appears here in the name box. This is the B1, it appears in the name box. Okay, this is B2, this is B3, C1, C2. It appears here when we select any cell. And this is the formula box. When we type any formula, it will appear here. And now let me tell you about rows and columns. So this entire horizontal line is a row. So if you click on this 3 button, it will select all this horizontal line. So this is called as row. And this vertical, these cells, if you select these cells, these are columns. These all are columns. Or if you click on this G, it will select this entire column, this edge. And similarly we can select any column. And if you want to zoom in, you can zoom it from here by clicking on this plus button or dragging it toward right side. And if you want to zoom out, then you click on this minus button, or you can drag this toward left side. There is another option available for the zoom as well. If you hold Control key from your keyboard and you rotate the wheel of the mouse in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions, then it will zoom in and zoom out. So it is up to you how you want to zoom in and zoom out. Now I'm typing here 100, and it also appeared here as well. But if you want to type any formula, you have to type equal first, equal. So let's suppose 60 plus 40, it's gonna give us 100. So when you press enter button, it will give us 100. But there is difference between the above 100 and this one. This is the formula and this is not the formula. But if we do not put equal sign before this formula, it will not work. So we have to put equal first. So I'm putting here equal and press enter button, and it will work. So this right here was the basic formula, but we can also type many advanced formulas as well. First type equal, Then let's suppose this is 100 minus parenthesis 45 multiply by 2. So I'm putting a static 2, close the bracket, and here we have 10. So this entire formula has appeared here. And also if we want to use any number in the cell, so we have to put equal. And let's suppose I want to use this cell for the formula, and if I want to subtract 4 from it, and this is 6, so we can use many basic and advanced formulas, and we can utilize these cell numbers as well to complete our formulas. So that's all for this first basic tutorial, guys, and see you in the next tutorial.